2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 61,000 miles on the odometer, this truck makes room for the whole family. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: four-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power outlet, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.